Good morning, dear children. Welcome to the maths class of Standard 3. Today, we are going to continue the chapter Shapes. So, my dears, before moving to today's topic, let's recap what we have learned in the last class. So, in the last class, we learned about vertex, side and diagonal. Vertex, side and diagonal. So, children, look at this figure. It's a rectangle, right? So, in this figure, first you tell me which are the sides. Yeah, the sides are AB, AB, BC, CD and DA. These are the sides. And which are the vertices? Vertex is the singular form and the plural is vertices. Okay. So, here vertices. Which are the vertices? Vertex A, vertex B, vertex C and vertex D. These are the vertices. Now, which are the diagonals? Yes, the diagonals means the line segment which is joining the opposite vertices. So, here AC is a diagonal and then BD is another diagonal. Got it, children? So, this is about sides, vertices and diagonals. Now, children, let's discuss the homework answers which are given in your workbook. Okay? So, look at the fourth question. This is the question number 4. The point where at least two sides of a figure meet is called a dash. The point where at least two sides of a figure meet is called a dash. What is that? Yes, that is the vertex. So, option C is the right answer. Now, next one. A straight line that joins the opposite vertices of a closed figure is called dash. A straight line that joins the opposite vertices of a closed figure is called, what is that? Diagonal. Yes, answer is diagonal. Now, next one. Question number 6. The diagonals in this figure, this given figure are dash. Which are the diagonals? We know the diagonals means the line segment which joins the opposite vertices. Here A and C are the opposite vertices. So, AC is a diagonal and then BD is another diagonal. Okay. AC and BD are the two diagonals. So, option C is the right answer. Got it, children? Now, fill in the blanks. 7th question. A triangle has dash diagonals. A triangle has dash diagonals. Is a triangle has diagonals? No, it has no diagonals. Okay, you can write no there. Then, a circle has dash vertices. Is a circle has any vertices? No, a circle is also not having any vertices. So, answer is no. Next question. A square and a rectangle have dash vertices. A square and a rectangle have dash vertices. How many vertices? 4 vertices. Look, children, here it's a rectangle. So, count 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 vertices are there in a rectangle as well as in square. Okay. Now, look at the next question. Very short answer questions. Question number 10. What is the unique feature of a square? What is the unique feature of a square? That means the feature which is not having any other shape. That is it has only in a square. Okay, so what is the unique feature of a square? That is, it has 4 equal sides. A square has 4 equal sides. This is the unique feature of a square. Got it, children? Now, next is, how many vertices does a triangle have? How many vertices does a triangle have? 3. Yes, a triangle has 3 vertices. Yes. Now the next is question number 12. How many diagonals does a circle have? How many diagonals does a circle have? Children, we know a circle doesn't have any corner or any vertex. So, there is no diagonals also. So, the number of diagonals 0. You can write 0 there. Now, the next question, complete the following table. So, one shape is given here and you have to write or you have to name the vertices and you have to name the diagonals. Okay, I hope everyone did it well, isn't it? Okay, so let's discuss once again. So, here the vertices are P, Q, R and S. P, Q, S, R. Okay, these all are the vertices of this given figure. Now, which are the diagonals? Yeah, these slanting lines are the diagonals. That means PR is a diagonal and QS is another diagonal. If you are writing RP and SQ, that also right. Okay, children. Now look at the next one. Complete the following table. Look at this figure. Here this figure also having 4 vertices and 2 diagonals, isn't it? So which are the vertices? A, B, C, D. These are the vertices. And which are the diagonals? AC, BD. AC, BD. These are the diagonals. Got it, children? Okay. Children, now we are moving to today's topic. And today's topic is identifying sides, vertices and diagonals in various shapes. Identifying sides, vertices and diagonals in various shapes. So children, look at the first one. Here is shown as a triangle, isn't it? And this given triangle has 3 sides. 3 sides, isn't it? And named as AB, BC and CA. AB, BC and CA. These are the different sides of this triangle. And we can also name it as BA and then CB and AC. This way also we can name. Okay. So, if you are writing AB or BA, both are same. Okay. And the different number of markings on the sides of the triangle show that the length of all the 3 sides are different. Look children, here on the side BC there is a one standing line is drawn, isn't it? And here in the other side, AC side, there are 2 lines and on AB side 3 lines. Here this shows these 3 sides are different in length. Okay, these 3 sides are different in length. Got it? If all the sides are the same number of markings, suppose if it is 1 here, then if it is 1 in the next side and 1 in this side also, then we can say that all these sides are same. Okay, 1 marking, then we can say like that. Or but here it is all are different, so these are different. The sides, length of the sides are different. Okay, children. So now let us find the number of sides of a few 2D shapes and name them. Look children, which shape is this? The first one? Yeah, this is a square, isn't it? How we can know it is a square? Look, here one line is drawn on all the sides. Do you notice? One line is drawn on all the sides, which means all the sides are same. Okay, so which shows all the sides are same. So we can write here name of the shape is square and number of sides, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. You can write here 4. Now name of sides. Name the sides. PQ is a side, QR is a side, RS is a side and SP is another side. So this way you can name the sides. Now children, look at the next one. To understand which type of shape is this, you look at the strokes which are drawn on the sides. Okay. So in AB side there is one stroke and DC side there is one stroke, which means AB and DC are same. Okay. And look at the BC, here two strokes are drawn. And in AD side also two strokes, which means BC and AD both are same. Okay, and we know the shape which has the opposite sides equal is a rectangle, isn't it? The name for that shape is rectangle. So this is a rectangle. Got it? You can name it here. And how many sides are here? What is the number of sides? Yes, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. And here the opposite sides are equal. So you can write the names as AB, BC, CD and DA. These are the sides of this rectangle. Now children, look at this. This is a triangle and in this triangle all the sides are having one stroke, which shows all the sides are equal in length. Okay. So we can write the name of the shape first, that is triangle, and number of sides, how many? Yes, 3. 3 sides are here in a triangle. And here the feature of this triangle is all the sides are equal because the same stroke is drawn on all the sides. So all the sides are equal. Now name it AB, BC and CA. These are the names of sides. Got it children? Is there any doubt in it? Okay. So let's move to next. Look at this one children. This is also your textual exercise. Complete the following table by writing the basic shape, number of the vertices and diagonals of the given objects. Okay. Complete in the following table by writing the basic shape. So here some objects are given. So you have to write which shape this object has. Okay. Look at this one. The sandwiches look like a triangle, isn't it? So you can write here basic shape is triangle. Now number of vertices. We know in a triangle with how many vertices are there? That is 1, 2, 3. 3 vertices that you can write here. Then number of diagonals. We know a triangle doesn't have any diagonal. So the number of diagonals 0 that you can write here. So the same way you look at the next 2 objects and write the basic shape, number of vertices and number of diagonals here. Got it children? This is your textual homework. Okay, you can answer it in the textbook itself. Okay dears. Now my dear children, there are some questions in our workbook also. These questions are based on this vertex and diagonal. So everyone look at the first one. Question number 15. Look at the figure and answer the following questions. How many vertices does it have? Name them. Okay. In all these questions, the figures will be differ, but the question will be to write the number of vertices and naming them, and try to write the diagonal, number of diagonals, and to write the name of the diagonal, and all that type of questions will ask in these all questions. Okay. So you can easily answer this. So how many vertices this shape has? 4 vertices, isn't it? It looks like a square. So it has 4 vertices. And you can name it as A, B, C, D. Okay, these are the vertices of this and diagonals. Now you can draw diagonal here. How to draw? D to B, you can draw a line. A to C, you can draw a line. Now these two are the diagonals. And name that. Yeah, AC is a diagonal and BD is a diagonal. But here the question, name the diagonal from A. So you have to name the diagonal from A only. So from A we can draw the diagonal AC, isn't it? From A to C we can draw a diagonal. So the diagonal from A is AC. Got it, children? Now look at the next one. Draw a square WXYZ and answer the following questions. Here is the picture and name the vertices. Which are the vertices? Yeah, W, comma X, comma Y, comma Z. These are the vertices. Now name the diagonals. That is WY. WY is a diagonal and XZ is also another diagonal. So you can write like this. Got it, my dears? Okay. So another question from our workbook. Look, complete the following table. Here object is given. From the object you write the number of vertices and number of diagonals. Okay. This is a knot and this knot is in the shape of a rectangle. And we know a rectangle has 4 vertices, isn't it? And how many diagonals? 2 diagonals, because these ends we can, these vertices now we can join and we will get one diagonal, and by joining these 2 vertices we will get another one. So 2 diagonals and 4 vertices are there in a rectangle. Now look, this biscuit is look like a square. So tell me how many vertices are there in this shape? Yes, that is 4. And number of diagonals? Yeah, that also 2. Okay. So children, this is about the vertices and diagonals. Got it, children? Everyone go through this video again and again and understand the concepts we learned in this class. Okay, my dears? And there is a small homework for you. This homework is in a workbook. Workbook page number 4, question number 18, 19 and 20. These questions you answer in your workbook itself. Okay, my dears? Don't forget, everyone do your work in time. Okay, so I am winding up. See you in the next class. Everyone be safe at home and be happy. Thank you.